Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Hana's English Corner. I'm Hana, and this is your little moment to relax, smile, and learn some real English you can actually use.
And I'm Ethan. Here we don't chase perfect grammar. We focus on real life English, the kind you can use in everyday conversations.
Today, we are focusing on a crucial part of fluency practical communication. We are exploring the essential words and phrases you need to talk about your city in English. From the fast, exciting energy of downtown to the peaceful, quiet corners of your favorite neighborhood.
We promise to share the precise language that allows you to open up, describe your surroundings, and share the vibe of your hometown naturally and accurately.
And this is a big moment, so if you enjoy learning with us, please hit that like button now. It's the best way to support our corner.
This helps our friendly English learning community grow stronger and larger. Let's dive in and master the language of our surroundings now.
Perfect. Let's get started.
Hana, I've always believed that every city has a mood, just like a person. Some cities are fast and lively, like London, while others are peaceful and surrounded by nature, like Toronto.
I feel that too, Ethan. Big cities have this amazing energy. They fill your heart, but sometimes they also empty your battery. When I hear the coffee smell in the air and see people rushing to work, I feel like the city is truly alive.
That's a great way to put it. In English, we use a very trendy word to describe that energy: vibe. You can say, my city has a creative vibe, or my neighborhood has a relaxing vibe. It's much more natural than just saying the feeling.
Exactly. And to describe your city like a local, you need a few building blocks. The first block is location and fame. You can say, my city is located in the South, and it's known for its historic buildings or beautiful lakes.
The second block is describing the style. Is it modern with tall buildings or historic with stone bridges and old markets? I love cities that are multicultural, where you can hear 10 different languages on one street. It makes the world feel smaller and warmer.
But Ethan, we have to be honest. City life isn't always perfect. We have to talk about the cons or the bad points too.
You're right. Every city has its pros and cons. We deal with traffic jams during rush hour, pollution, and high rent. Sometimes the buses are so crowded you can't even move. But do you know what? You can complain about your city and still love it deeply.
That's so true. It's the chaos and the charm together. Like the time I got caught in the rain in London and ran into a small bookstore. The owner made me tea, and that tiny moment made me love the city even more. It's the kindness of people that makes a city special.
Now let's look at some small talk tools for when you meet new people in your city.
If you meet a tourist, you can start with, is this your first time in this city? Or, do you know any good cafes around here? Giving a simple tip like, you should try the bakery near the park, is a fantastic way to connect through English.
And if you're the one traveling, you need those practical phrases for directions. Excuse me, how do I get to the museum? Or does this bus go to the city center? Remember, kindness is the best language. Always start with a smile.
Finally, I want to share a secret. Your city is your live classroom. As you walk to work or school, try to describe what you see in English. The street is busy, the sky is gray, the air feels fresh. It trains your brain to think in English without needing a book.
Your hometown is full of English opportunities. Every street sign and every conversation is a lesson waiting for you.
So, for your homework today, go to the comments and share your world with us. How would you describe the vibe of your city in 3 words? Is it busy, historic, and creative? Or maybe quiet, green, and friendly?
We read every single comment. We want to see the world through your words.
Thank you for spending this time with us today. It's truly a pleasure to explore ways we can make genuine progress in our lives.
We're proud of you for showing up, for practicing, and for turning your daily walk into an English adventure.
See you next time on Hana's English Corner.
Take care, stay kind, and keep exploring. One small step is all you need.
And remember, keep your English alive every single day.